that plead facts and not evidence. Now, what are those facts which are required to be pleaded in the plaint, and what are those facts or evidences which are not required to be pleaded? So you need to understand in this way that there are two kinds of facts. One is called the facta probenda, and second is the facta probentia. Now, what is facta probenda? Facta probenda are those facts which are required to be proved, which is also known as material fact. Now, facta probentia are those facts by which you prove the material facts. So to understand better, let's take an example of the landmark judgment of Borodele versus Hunter, 1845. In that judgment, there was a contract between an insurance company and a person called A. And one of the terms of that contract was that if A commits suicide, insurance company will not give him any amount. So one fine day, A commits suicide by using a pistol, and then the legal heirs of A files a claim against the insurance company. Now, what is the facta probenda here? Insurance company should only plead that A has committed suicide. Now, what is facta probentia? That A has been in depression, that A has written a suicide letter, when did A buy the pistol, and all these other facts are the facta probentia, which is not required to be pleaded. So if you also plead facta probentia in your plaint, court will consider that your plaint and your drafting skills are still immature. Second point, you also need to remember that this rule does not apply to writ proceedings filed under Article 32 and 226. It means whenever you draft your writ petition under Article 32 and 226, you have to plead not only facta probenda but also facta probentia. So do not make this mistake. And the landmark judgment for this is Bharat versus State of Haryana, 1988 Supreme Court series.